In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable camera in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are on the main browser window so you can access the settings menu without distractions. Now look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can manage browser tools and preferences. From that list, select Settings. Once you are in Settings, look over to the left-hand menu and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for how Chrome handles website data, permissions, and access to device features like your camera and microphone. Next, click Site Settings. You may need to scroll a little to find it depending on your screen size. Inside Site Settings, scroll down until you reach the Permissions section. On the camera page, you will see an option labeled Sites can ask to use your camera. Select that option. This setting means websites will need to ask for permission before they can access your camera. That covers everything you need to know.